Tamil Nadu government opposes a CBI takeover of a Karur stampede case, questions the finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman's visit to the tragedy site while skipping past disasters and withholding funds. Madras High Court pulls up Tamil Nadu government, questions how Karur rally was permitted, asserted the government responsible for public safety. Air Chief Marshal AP Singh says India destroyed Pakistan's F-16s during Operation Sindoor. Air Chief Marshal AP Singh stresses a timely defence procurement for better readiness, emphasises Su-57 jet purchase will follow due procedure and collective approval. Children's death toll in Chhindwara rises to 9. Tamil Nadu bans cough syrup, brand suspected in tragic deaths in MP and Rajasthan. Canada Theatre cancels Indian film screenings after shooting arson attack.